There's a violence in being confused.
And not having closure. Yeah. I'm just wondering what was that about? The only closure is that the incident ended. Those answers you'll never know unless you find him.
People say, well, how much money would it take to make you feel better? It's not about the money. It's about the man. Give us back the man.
I think if I let myself go there emotionally, I am grieved by racism and white supremacy. The loss of life, it's the loss of wealth, it's the loss of potential.
One of the portraits that I started shooting is a version of me that has been fighting for life. It wants answers of a different kind.
My dearly beloved sons, I'm supposed to give a talk